Okay guys, welcome back. This is ABJ and this is a very important and short video, less than 1 minute or two, or less than 2 minutes. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your laptop serial number. Okay, so most often the laptop serial number can be at the back of the sticker, but in some cases the sticker will like scrap based on setting the laptop down. So the serial number is also built in a chip, which of course can be known from using the command prompt. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your serial number. A serial number is a number on an electronic product that is different from all other product number, and this number is used to prove who this laptop or who the device belongs to if it is stolen or damaged. So to find your laptop serial number, hit the start button and just type COMMAND. So we move to the command prompt. In the command prompt you type WMRC space BIOS get SERIAL and UMBER. So as you can see, WMRC space BIOS space GET space serial number and press enter. So this is my laptop serial number 5CD244G37G3ZJ. So like I said, every laptop serial number is different from all other products number. So I can use the number now. If I remember, I can use the number now to prove that this particular laptop belongs to me if it is stolen or get damaged. So this is very important to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other question or any other comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you on our next video.